In today's video, we are going to show you how to download and install PCLOUD Drive on your computer so you can access your files like a virtual hard drive without using up local storage. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and click the Go to My Account button. This will forward you to your main dashboard. And I want you to hover to the left side panel, which gives you the ability to click the download app. As you may notice, this is going to be the official PCLOUD Drive download page. All right. Now, all I have to do is super simple. Here, you need to select the correct version for your device and click the download button. So if you're using Windows 64, Windows 32-bit, or Windows XP, you need to choose that. So you can choose from Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, Android add-on. But of course, in my case, I am using Windows 64-bit. I'm going to click on it. And of course, wait for it so that the installer will finish downloading. Once you're happy with that, all I have to do is super simple. Click the Save button. And download times will vary depending on your internet connection. So you want to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet and do not use a VPN or proxy because that could interfere. Once you've done that, locate the folder and click the Run as Administrator. Now here, all I have to do is super simple. Just follow the on-screen instructions. All right? Once the installation is complete, all I have to do is click the launch. And what will happen is there is a pop-up window that will appear, and all I have to do is super simple. Click the sign in button and log in using your credentials. Once you've done that, as you can see, you can now access your PCLOUD Drive without any problem. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to download and install PCLOUD Drive on your computer. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.